Now we have something called MV. MV is nothing, you can say that it's like move, MV for move, or you can say rename. So when you want to rename any directory or any file, then you are going to command called MV. So it has two different functions, that is one, it will rename a file or directory. Second, it moves a group of file to a different directory. So if you have a directory, you can change that easily. So what is the syntax? Syntax is MV space your existing file or directory space new file or directory, then it will be changed easily, right? And even if you want to, like if you want to move 3 different directory into one, then also you can write here MV 3 different directory, then programs. So this also will 3 files will be moved to the this directory. It's like cut and paste. It's like cut and paste. Clear? One thing is renaming, you can rename also. Okay. So if you give single command, that means it will rename. If you give the multiple command, like as it is mentioned at the last, MV and 3 directory name and then 1 directory, that means what happened? Entire this 3 directory will be copied, this entire will be copied to procs. That is the MV command. Okay. We have ls command, right? No, let it be so we will remember. Okay. What I have to do? MV, right? So what we have created here, let's take as TSTT. I will rename to TSTP. So you want to change that. So what we are going to do? Let me clear the first. Okay, I want to change. So MV space existing directory or file. So TSTT space TSTP, enter. See that it's done. Now if you type ls command, check it out, or simply you type cat TSTT, it will not give any result because no such directory, because we have renamed. So this directory of file has been renamed to TSTP. But now the result is here. Now we had 3 directory, you want to move this directory. So take the command MV space, we created test, right? Test 1 we created, right? Space, we created another directory called TSTP, right? I want this to move into some another directory. What was the other command was there? One more, tst. Okay, let me check with the ls first. I will type ls. Okay, I will move to the 2025. Okay, so MV space test 1 space TSTP space 2025. See what happened? Now if I give the command for the cat TSTP, it will give that error that no such directory. But if you move to the directory called 2025, and now if you run the previous command, then it will give the result. That means we have cut and paste. Simple meaning on Windows, how you do cut and paste. Same, this is the command. If you multiple directory moved, that means it is moved, cut and paste is happening. Single directory, that means existing directory, and new directory name if you give, it will change to the new directory name. So this is all about your MV command.